How to change the language in DeepSeek. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek app. Log into your account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on two lines located on top left corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located on bottom left corner of your screen. In here, you'll find app language below color scheme. Click on app language and choose the language you prefer. Simply make sure there is black dot on the language you choose. After that, you're good to go. Simply, your language will be changed. This is how to change the language in DeepSeek app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.